Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Look at this. This is just nuts. Have a look at that. Hong Kong protest turned wet and wild. You've probably heard what's happening right now in Hong Kong. It's nuts. Like, it's just people rioting. The Chinese government is doing, doing what it does. But that isn't the point. The point is avoid for the time being Hong Kong. If you've got suppliers in Hong Kong, if you have potential people or contacts in Hong Kong, you don't want to be going over there right now, right? Going to China is actually way better than going to Hong Kong right now, because basically Hong Kong, you're gonna be stuck at the airport, right? And you're gonna have facing a lot of other problems. Streets are gonna be closed off, all right? So don't go via Hong Kong on your way to China, but just be aware that sometimes this stuff happens. Sometimes you might have your goods leaving China and there'll be a South China Sea storm, which actually does happen. If you've got stuff on a ship, well, guess what? It's going to be delayed. Guess what? Your goods can actually sink en route, right? So you need insurance. There's a lot of things that can actually happen, and that's why it's important just to be aware of that as an Amazon seller, that stuff actually does happen. All right, so stuff happens, right? And just be aware that there are insurances out there for Amazon sellers. In fact, we've got people coming to our next boot camp, the workshop happening in 2 weeks from now, who are going to talk about some stuff that could happen. It usually doesn't happen, but it can happen, right? So it's important to sort of think about the risks involved with getting stuff away, because trucks can blow up or break down, right? Delays can happen. You could miss the Christmas rush happening. Right now is the time, right now, to prepare for the Christmas rush, right? Christmas is crazy, right? You'll get more orders over the November and December period than you will mostly for most niches and categories over the entire year. So Christmas is just crazy. So guys, make sure, just be aware that stuff does happen like this. There is civil unrest and all this other stuff happening in every country. It's not just this country, it's every country experiences this in some way or other, and there are delays, especially if you're trying to do business in that country. So talk to you real soon, guys. Have a fantastic day, and don't forget to check out our training and our webinar. Love to see you there. Bye-bye for now.